And good morning. Good morning, everyone. Get going. So I did do a little bit of stuff on Odyssey yesterday. I got an episode uploaded, or whatever we call these things, a stream uploaded in there. So that's there. Yay. Um. Also, we're at a really low delay today. So I think we're at 3. We'll see how it goes. See how much Twitch freaks out from 3. Twitch plus Starlink. You get the idea. Now, first things first, I'm going to do a little warm up because I want to change my stream icon. Account settings. How big can that image be? I want to know. Oh, it cannot exceed 100 megs. 10 megs. 10 megs. JPEG, PNG, etc. Not more than 10 megs. All right. I don't know. Do I want to do this in here or in a sprite? We're gonna need some reference content. I'll pull this up here. All right. It's a little larger. Let's see, and let's take a little screenshot. Let's see, how should we do this? Like this? I don't know. Oh, I got the facial going on. Got the balding patches going on. You can see it. Let's see. Let's make something simple. File new. Let's make it, I don't know, 512 by 512. That's a lot. That's more than enough. Yeah, that feels like a lot. All right. Let's get some lines. Let's see, what color red is that? Let's see my glasses. Kind of RGB red. All right. The size of this, let's bring that down. Maybe, I don't know. Here. Super cool art. Just start there. Kind of like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. I'm glad you agree. Let's get the brush out. Let's see. Let's get some fleshy tones. Unbleached silk. Persian orange. What else? We got straw. Is that kind of, I don't know. It's more reddish. What else we got in here? That's being kind. I don't know. I feel like it should be something else. Like we should just take a picture and like, ooh, and just take a snapshot of it. Do we have? Oh, I know. We'll use photo booth. Yes. we'll just take a photo. Although that's not the best photo. Let's see. File. How do I get it to? All right. So here's photo booth. There. We'll do one of these. Okay. Did he do it? All right. Kind of like that, maybe. I don't know. I don't even know if it did it. Oh, and now. Oh, come on. What are we doing? Okay, let's try again. One more time. Oh, we got effects. Ooh. Oh, what can we do? Oh, space alien, love struck. These. Okay, we're doing this one. I don't know, just having fun. There we go. That's our art here. We're gonna start with this one. That is so bad. Um, that is so bad. Okay, where's the file now? Oh, all right. Well, here I'm just gonna because I don't actually know where the file is. Oh, I can export original. All right, bug eye. Let me export that for a moment. Well, look at this. Do I have like an OBS folder or something? Oh, I do. All right. File. No. Gorgeous. Lovely. All right, now how do we select based on the background color? Wait, it's not the same. Oh, I exported the original. See? It's oh, the effect is not on the original. Oh well, whatever. I'll just do this one. All right, now we are going to replace this background. What's our tool selection, tool options, fuzziness? Whoa, okay, a little too far. That's a little better. So you can see some of the edges though. I can hear. Let's bring that down a little bit more. Let's do 32. Okay, that's better. No, no rotation. Thank you. Oh, All right, now let's add to it. Over there, over there. There, okay. So it's just kind of the first pass. We'll have to clean up a little bit more, but this will be all right. Okay. That's good. Let's crop this. What is that tool? Is that transform? Hmm. Let's pull this in. Kind of want it to be like a square image, but let's get some shoulder in there. Good, good. Okay, crop that. Bring them back in. Okay, now for the green edges. Hey, good morning. Go Dev. How are you doing? Oh, you see the face for the first time. Yes, good morning. It's been a while. Yeah, we've had, you missed his mustache. You missed like the big mustache. Um, yeah, new avatar for the Twitch profile. I've given up. I just don't care. And I got tired of the last one, so actually I didn't give up. We're just having a little fun with it. All right, so how do I, this is Krita. I don't use Krita very often, but I want to be able to, let's say, select nothing, so deselect all. Okay, now in here, I do want to be able to grab and remove some of this green color because I don't have any green on me. Filter, color, color transfer. What does this do? Oh, fancy. Yeah, I don't know what that is. For whatever reason, it came up over there. Color to alpha. What does this mean? Okay, I don't know what that means. Oh, pick. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I took that green color to like to be more alpha. Oh, that actually gets really close. All right. We're just gonna save that. Sure. Quality, 100%. We need all the quality we can get on this. Uh, file, save. Did it save? I mean, it's got the little asterisk next to it. I can't tell. All right. Upload photo. Oh yeah, this is going to be awesome. OBS, bug eye. There's one little spot that's bugging me in here. It's some more of the green. See, I wish. Oh, select from color range. Oh, interesting. Reds, greens, fuzziness, invert. Okay. Add to current selection. Sure. Mm, it didn't select anything. That's odd. Tool. Color to alpha. Threshold. Whoa. That it just makes me like funky and red. It's like just dropping the green out of the whole thing. Minimize channel. Huh, maximum. Let's see what's in other. Color adjustment. Definitely have some. See, I don't think that's it. I think I just have to. Let's just deal with it. All right, we'll go ahead and save this. Oh, that's gonna freak some people out when they see that. All right, we're done with that. Do you want to save it? No. Okay. All right, hold on. I gotta see what this looks like now. All right, here we go. Where are we at? Wait, where's Mr. Halsey? Are we not in like? Oh, hold on a second. We're in there. What is our edit stream info? What do we have? There's Whitlock. It looks like we should be in there. Did OBS give up and just drop us or something? What? Oh, I clicked on somebody. Let's just go to the channel. I think I had to scroll down further. I just want to see the icon. Then we'll get into working on some more alignment stuff. Come on, load up the image. I want to see that right there. I don't want to listen to myself. I did order some equipment for doing some better audio recording, mostly for the game, but we'll use it for the. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. All right, that that makes me laugh. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. Started 23 minutes ago. Togglebit, you're really late. Huh. All right, let's get back to it. So, in Godot, wherever Godot is, let me find Godot. Godot. Let's start Godot. Godot's not started. We've got some layout stuff going on, right? But the next stage of this layout is to actually do something with it. And let's see, game. It's playing around with some buttons and stuff. Because there's a lot of different things, a lot of different effects that you could do with the border box we have set up. So if we adjust the corners, let's say the left corners, like 4.5, and the other one, 4.5. Stretch that out a little more, make it less pill-shaped. It's quite a bit. You can quite a bit, quite a bit. All right. However, that's not what I wanted to do. The game, or at least the plan for this, has been that we would have screen, a border box, which is like the whole UI, like around the whole thing. Uh, what if we didn't do that? What if we just added a V-box here? We call them lists, and lists have a direction. Vertical list, yes. Then we'll put this guy inside of there. Great. Let's say this is the title. Okay. Now title, when we run this, the text gets set back. And why don't we see anything when it runs? It's in the camera view. Oh, you see a black line on the top of my camera view. It's closing the editor. Oh, I see. Like right there. That's odd. Because I've just got a green screen behind me. Filters. Huh. Really tall. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Thank you for pointing that out. There we go. Let's just go 70 and maybe 65. Stop. Okay, okay. Um, all right, so that is showing up. And you can see that, well, it's not the right size. You can also see that there's other things going on. When we resize this, it resizes the control, but it doesn't keep the left to the left side of this. So other weird things happen. But let's make some simple UI. Okay, viewport 1. This thing is actually too big. Our border box here, you can see it's like huge. Should not be this huge. I was just playing around. This should be like 0.5 or something for the line height. Tiny. All right, border box. Let's say our radius is, take that down. Border, yeah, 0.1 is a good border for this. And the size. margin. All right. Now, because this is the only child that's going to take up the whole of the game view, as we should see here. Not quite what I expected. I expected a little taller. Did it bail? Border box bottom 4, 1. So after the text got added, I reset it to just 1. That's strange. I wonder why. Oh, because, well, the text controls the height of the container. Well, it suggests the height of the container, which is fine. Back to Godot. Okay, because the next thing we're going to have in here is another border box. Just duplicate that. Save that. Close and open real quick, because we do have some bugs. Now this one, we're basically going to have 3 different sections. Basically, kind of the title, a bunch of options in here. So this is basically going to be a list of lists in the middle, and then we'll have a horizontal list at the bottom. So in this case, let's add another list. This direction will be horizontal, and inside this one, we'll have another border box. Save it, reopen it. Why is it showing up the wrong place? And this has been happening a number of times. So if we close that, open it, border box. No, not border box. Game. Same order. Is it because it panicked? And that never causes good things to happen. Removed variables should have been registered. That's not true anymore. Let's fix that. That is not true. Oh, because now we don't always register the variables, especially for the VBox. It's VBox we don't register variables for. So this check here is no longer valid. All right, now what's the point in having this function? Hey, thank you for the follow. Good morning. Yeah, want it more like this. I mean, that's okay. Get rid of that. Good. Let's restart Godot. So how's everyone doing today? How have you been? Hanging in there? Hmm. Actually, it looks like our buffer is having some issues. I dropped it to 3 seconds, but it's having some issues. Yeah, this is the order I expect. Let's give it a run. Should have a viewport when resizing. Oh, that feels like it was at the beginning of starting this thing up. So if we stop it, okay, and start it again, now that's okay. Odd. But notice they're in the wrong order. Is that just a random thing? I didn't think I would. Oh, shenanigans. Okay. So these are getting added in a strange order. Wow. Who would have thought? You put them in there in a certain way, they show up in a different way. Okay, let's run it a couple more times. I want to get a sense for this. Why is this? Why? Is it because of cassowary? Getting the constraints in a certain order? What could it be? I would expect Godot to add these as children in the same order every time. Is that a lot to ask, though? So what do we have? We have border box getting added to a list. Let's just go into list and add something to add child. Add child. Path will be unsafe. Child, not assume safe. Dot get path. Dot toString. Can we toString on that? Because it's a path node path. I think we can. That'll give us a string and then add dbg path or just child added path. Okay. Now we'll be able to see what order they get added in. Close that. Quit. Yes, thank you. Oh, that's a new one. All right, let's go to the beginning. Whoa, so many things. Let's close that scene. Okay, open it again. Game. See, it was fine that time. What? Porta box should have a layout when exiting tree? When did it exit the tree? All right, I'm just gonna run it. Okay, so these are out of order. What order was it added in? Child added. Border box. So list border box 2, list border box, list. So the list was the last one. Oh, am I using, a hash map for this? I am. Uh, yes, okay. That explains it. So we could just have something else. It's not like we usually have a large amount of children in this. So if we had a vector or something else, that would be fine too. That surprised me though. Is that, what other types do we have? There's a B tree map. What else do we have? B tree set. We'd have to sort them or have something that it can sort on, which would be silly because it would just have like the child index or something. It's right now. Maybe it's not that bad of an idea. It's right now when we add the child, we don't know which position it's in. I mean, somebody could have added it before something else. So maybe we should switch to like a B tree map. All right, let's try that out. Now this is not correct. We'll have some number here, the child index, or child position. What do they call that in Godot? Was it node? Get index. Type. Child index. Index. Okay, there we go. I-64. Hey, Xenocron, how you doing? Good morning. drops. Ah, yes. Okay. So now when we get an iterator off of the B tree map, it's sorted, isn't it? Organized cloud as per usual. How am I doing? I'm doing all right. Doing all right. I dropped the time for the delay to 3 seconds today, and we have a lot more drops actually. And Starlink is doing fairly well. So I think tomorrow I'll go back up to 5. But I tried. I did. Iterate over everything. So iter sorted by key. Perfect. And if we call just values, ordered by key. Perfect. Technically that's values now. I looked into that. It's basically I'd have to set up some box that's um, running some program that we actually write. I didn't save yet. And I don't really feel like doing GStreamer or stuff like that, especially when it's supposed to be getting better this month too. So, all right, now when we add the child, this becomes a tuple, and we need the child index. Let child index equal child dot hmm, assume save dot get index. Let's clean this up a little bit. All right, so that's good. Remove child. We should get the index. Now, when a child's being removed, does it have an index? I guess it does until we remove it. All right, and this here, extract into variable deref. Let's just call this child. Child. Oh, child. All right. Now we have to claim it here. How's your week going, Xenocron? You having a good week? I gotta check on my calendar real quick. It's one of those moments where it's like, what is today? Hmm, okay. So, any other errors? Oh, hash map? Well, it's a warning. What else? Unnecessary braces. Ah, you wish you didn't have to deal with Cloud BS. I get you. I understand. Oh, we might take another sidetrack because I got into the beta for is it Cloudflare's durable objects. Back to Tomcat. Wait, are you using Tomcat? Tomcat, like the Java Tomcat stuff? Man, it's been forever since I've used that. Forever. All right. Well, that built. Let's run it again. Hopefully this time it always appears in the right order you wish. All right, let's open game. Game. Ah, that's good. Let's run this a couple times. See what order things appear in. That's good. Good. I think we fixed it. All right. What is Cloudflare durable objects? Great question. Great question. It's in the workers API. Runtime API. Durable objects. So you can run WASM code on their edge servers, right? And you can they also have this key value store. Everybody's familiar with key value store, right? It's basically like, well, here, I'll just read it. Workers key value is a global low latency key value data store. It supports exceptionally high read volumes with low latency, making it possible to build highly dynamic APIs and websites, which respond as quickly as a cache static file would. All right, now this is great, right? You can do all sorts of cool stuff with that. However, it doesn't solve the synchronization issue. Like, what if two people are trying to buy the one Beanie Baby that you have for sale on your website because for whatever reason you decided to build an e-commerce store using Cloudflare workers? Um, Here comes durable objects, right? Low latency coordination and consistent storage for the workers platform. A given namespace can support essentially unlimited durable objects, with each object having access to a transactional key value storage API. That's a big difference. Durable objects, transactional. So we can finally build out that e-commerce store built on Cloudflare workers that we've always wanted. It, it might be kind of fun. Might do that. I mean, talk about scalable. I mean, as long as that API scales, because you can use key value stores for things that you don't need to be transactional, and then durable objects for everything else that you do need to be transactional, which would be great. What a weird crossover. Not so much, right? I mean, if you looked at some of the storage APIs for, goodness, MySQL forever ago, it was just built on key value store. So they built transactions across, or rather on top of a key value store. So I don't know, it seems like it would work. But then you're using, you could use Rust to build this out, have something that where the pages are generated by the server. It loads super quick because of that. Scales really well because they have insane amount of edge servers, right? Um, that'd be fun to play with. So we might play with that. I'm hoping that it's going to be um, I don't know, a little bit more interesting than trying to use, what was it, the AWS something DB? What was it? The come on, what is it? Don't know. The other one. So DynamoDB. Thank you, Zenocron. Huh. What an odd piece of software. Yeah, there are some quirks in it, definitely. All right, so we fixed that. Actually, let's see, get UI. Gonna toss some of these in there. Constraints, that's fine. Container. Actually, let's just check in the list fix that has what we want. So this section here, see, I want these two lines, and I said that I would test out the get UI stuff. All right, March 15th. Dependency updates. I want to know what changed. Let's go to GitHub. What's your change log? Releases 23 days ago. Oh, stage on stage discarded by line. That's exactly what we want. Nice. Wait. How do they select multiple things? Shift down. Oh, I see. Okay, let's update that. Cargo install get UI. You know what? I think I'm gonna restart the. While this is doing this, I'm gonna kick the stream and increase the buffer. So, I'll be right back. OBS actually never stopped there. So it just did its little reconnect thing. Then the music should still be there. I know that OBS occasionally has issues, or at least OBS plus Twitch has issues on a reconnect. Hopefully it was fine. Lost audio? That's what I was afraid of. Testing, 1, 2, test, test, test. Testing, testing, testing. Testing 1, testing 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it. It's actually being a little odd. Okay, I don't hear audio either. I'm gonna kick it again. All right, be right back. All right, testing, testing. Ah, there we go. My wife has me adjusting bucket handles. You want to pull on that? You sure? Well, I'll just do it now. Okay, I see. There you go. All right, you're welcome. Okay, is it better? Do I have a voice now? Testing, testing. No voice, huh? Ah, come on, Twitch. Seriously. I mean, you can see it's like right there. Voice. Not even music. I'll be. No, now is it better? I'm trying to see it for myself. Oh, Twitch, come on. Yeah, I've got it open in a tab. It's here, and I cannot hear myself. This tab's not muted. No. Ooh. Oh, I can't follow myself. So, I don't know. What do we do? Kick it again? All right, buffer's almost full. Buffer's full. Come on, Twitch. You can do it. Nothing. There is nothing. Let's see. My ASL is that the right is? Bad. A, D. I don't know.